Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you an amazing new drywall tape that is perfect for patching your ceilings. I'll also show you how to use it. Got the drywall up. I'm going to show you how to mud this out so it becomes invisible once you get a couple coats of mud on it. I'm using a called Fibofuse, and it's like a fiberglass, not a mesh, but it's like a mat, and it's like really good for repairs. Lays flat, great for butt joints. Love this stuff. So I'm going to show you how to do it. I just mixed up some all-purpose joint compound, thinned it down a little bit. So I'm just going to fill this in just to bed the tape. I'm just going to do probably a 3 or 4 inch wide swath of mud to fill that little area and also bed the Fibofuse. I'll leave a link in my description for Fibofuse. Give it a shot. This stuff's good stuff, man. Love it. All right, once you got the mud down, you're ready to bed the Fibofuse. Just hold your knife a little past the joint and it tears real easy. Start in the middle, go one direction, go back the other way. Do that around the perimeter of the repair. I'm telling you, this stuff is sweet. Lays really flat, so you don't have to worry about All right, I got that bedded. I'm going to hit the whole thing with my 12-inch knife and fill in the middle here. Just kind of make it smooth. See how I'm adding mud just where I need it. You don't want to leave the Fibofuse dry with no mud on the top when you go over it. All right, so there's the first coat. As you can see, this stuff is like awesome. All right, let's see that repair. All right, guys, here's the that ceiling repair that was an old speaker hole that I squared out, put 2 furring strips in, cut a piece of drywall, and then bedded the Fibofuse fiberglass mat tape with the all-purpose joint compound. So this is what it looks like after the first coat was done. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my 6-inch knife and scrape any high spots or anything like that. And if you're new to the channel, my name's Paul, and I've been a drywall and painting contractor for over 20 years. If you're looking to step up your drywall, texturing, or painting game, be sure to hit that subscribe button and also the bell notification to get alerted whenever I post a new video. These 6-inch knives. This is a stainless steel. It's super stiff, so it's great for first coating and scraping. Nice and flat. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do the second coat and check it to see how to check it and see where you need some joint compound to make it even flatter. It's right in the middle that just needs a little bit. So I'm going to fill the middle, go from there. Let me know in the comments what kind of project you're working on, or if you have any questions about this technique. Leave me a hashtag drywall tube down in the comments if you're enjoying these videos. All right, so there's the second coat. That repair is going to disappear. All right, guys, here's that ceiling repair. That was only 2 coats on that. The rest of the ceiling's been skim coated. Everything's ready for sanding. And then, of course, the circle that I squared off and repaired the ceiling. There's a little drying mud right there, but other than that, this place is tight. Ceiling repair disappeared. And if you're new to the channel, my name's Paul, and I've been a drywall and painting contractor for over 20 years. If you're looking to step up your drywall, texturing, or painting game, be sure to hit that subscribe button in the center of the screen now to keep up with all my latest videos. Look me up on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Thanks so much for watching.